Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to ungroup in Photoshop. Now I'm in Photoshop here, and I have 3 lightning bolts, and they aren't grouped right now. You can tell this because I can move each one around on its own if I select their layers. But let's group those together. All I have to do is click the top one and select all the layers. Once you select all the layers, just hit Control G. So I'll hit Control G, and you can see it is transformed into Group 1. And now, as you can see, I'm moving everything at once. Now, in order to ungroup this here, I'm going to right-click and say Ungroup Layers. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you what's in this tab here. You can see that all these images are here, and you can still edit them one at a time, but if you select Group, it's going to move every single one at a time. Now let's ungroup it, and we'll say Ungroup Layers, and they're still grouped only because I have all of them selected. If I select only one of them will move. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to group and ungroup in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.